Hey guys, what's up? Welcome and welcome back to my channel, LaMonicas Lab. If you're new, today in the lab I'm going to be showing you guys how I came up with this super easy matte smoky eye look. I don't think I created a smoky eye on my channel in a while, so I definitely wanted to do one since it is fall. I'm so excited because I've only used 3 eyeshadow shades to get this look, but I will tell you it does take some time to blend them with just making sure all the colors are working together seamlessly, girl. So if you want to know how I got this look, then definitely stay tuned. But if you're not, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Also give this video a thumbs up for more makeup tutorials. That helps me out and let me know if you guys like makeup tutorials. So yeah, if you want to see how I got this look, then keep on watching. Alright, so if I'm looking crazy, it's because I'm pretty much like, I'm hot. So if you hear any noise, that is the fan that's on. But I wanted to sit down and talk to you guys and create another fall look. So I'm going to be pulling out these fall looks, different types of looks that you can do throughout the fall and throughout the winter. So I'm super excited about this because I'm going to be bringing you guys so much more makeup content. I have a lot of people asking me different questions on different things, so it'll be a few different types of makeup type of videos. But first I'm going to go ahead and moisturize my lips. I'm going to moisturize my lips using the Fenty Beauty, what is this, Pro Kisser lip balm and hint. I actually talked about this on my Sephora haul, and I actually like this, the applicator. I will say that it doesn't really last long, but lip gloss is not meant to last long in my opinion, so you will have to keep reapplying it. But it's super hydrating, it's not sticky, it just glides on the lips really well, almost like a gel, like a thicker gel, but really hydrating. Gives you a little shine, so you can use this as a topper. I've used it as a topper on some of my matte lipsticks, and then sometimes I wear it by itself if I want moisturizer. So that is that. So today I was like going through my makeup collection, and I have so many like ideas that I want to do. It's crazy. But for today's video, I am going to be using some Morphe eyeshadow palettes, and I'm just going to create a simple like fall smoky eye look. So bear with me on that. So first, what I'm gonna do is the complexion part, because we're just gonna use like 1 or 2 shades. I'm just gonna do like a blown out smoky look, but you'll see. So first we're gonna moisturize the face. I'm gonna be using something new. This is with the Elephant Lala Retro Whipped cream, and this is what that looks like. I haven't tried it before. It has like this thing where you press it down, similar to, I think they have another product like this. I don't even know why I just took out that much, but it doesn't smell like anything. We're gonna try this out. It's a bit thick. It's a little thick. It's actually reminding me of the First Aid Beauty hydrating cream for your face, like facial cream. That's what this is reminding me of. There's no scent, just like the First Aid Beauty one. This is one of those moisturizers that would be perfect for the winter, like when it really gets cold outside. Like you can use it at night so you can lock in that moisture. But a little bit of information about this is supposed to be this all-purpose rescue cream whipped into an airy blend of 6 rare African oils, and it recovers and locks in intense moisture for hours after application. So we'll see how hydrating my skin will be after. It feels really nice though. Although it's thick, it's not feeling heavy. Still lightweight. So again, that's the Lala Retro Whipped cream. All of the products will be listed down below in the description box. I'm just going to go in with the Tarte Quench Hydrating Primer. It looks like this. You guys seen me use this one before. Just going to put a little bit of that here. But that Drunk Elephant moisturizer actually feels nice. Feels nice. So I wanted to choose between these 2 foundations. You guys see me use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Luminous foundation in my last makeup tutorial. So I think I'm going to go ahead and use the Milk Makeup Flex foundation stick. I have it in the shade Praline, and I talked about it before, but I haven't used it on my channel, so I'm going to go ahead and use it. It is my summer shade when I had more of a tan. It's starting to go away now since we're getting in the cooler months, but I'm going to make this work. So, and I typically don't even like sticks, but this stick right here, I love the finish of it. It's like a satin, it's like a satiny finish. Like, it just gives you that nice glow, and I really like this stick. I want to get it in my fall shade, so we shall see. And it just glides on really nicely. You can use this with your fingers, your hands. I say your hands, your fingers are on your hands. Your fingers, a brush, a sponge. I'm gonna go in with my Morphe sponge and I'm just gonna blend that out. All right, so this is what this is looking like. I really love how it just looks really satiny, really natural, but put together. I actually like this tone, so I don't have to do too much bronzing. Honestly, like, I really like this tone. So anywho, I'm gonna go in with my Tarte Shape Tape and my Urban Decay Stay Naked. These have been my like top favorites to combine. Even the Naked by itself is really bomb, so I'm gonna go ahead and use this. And with my all-time favorite, the La Mercier Translucent Powder. Comment down below what's your favorite translucent powder is and what you use to set your face. I typically only set around my eye area where I put the concealer, if you haven't noticed that already. So while I set that, I'm going to go ahead and start the eyes and we'll come back to the face with the bronzing and everything. So I have two options here. This is the Morphe 9C palette and it looks like this. Did I say that right? Jewel Crew 9C palette and it looks like this. So it has like those warm tones and purples. And then I also have the Artistry palette, Your True Selfie 15T as in Tom. 15T with all of these shades. So I think I want to go in with this one because I think I only use this palette like once or twice. Same with this other one as well. But I think I want to use this because of the dark colors. And I said we're going to do a smoky eye. And I think I want to use Relationship Goes, which is this purpley one. So let's go ahead and start with that. I'm so excited for this look. And although these brushes are not good, if you've seen my last makeup tutorial, you know what brushes I'm talking about that I got from Amazon. So check that video out. It'll be in the cards above, but I can't send them back, so I need to use them. I'm gonna go in with Strike a Pose first, which is this shade here. I like this palette, but when I'm trying to show you guys, the mirror is so big. So I'm just starting this with the transition shade and going back and forth like windshield wiper motions. With Woke Up Like this shade here, it's like this weird like brownie, like mustardy color. I love colors like this. And I'm just gonna put that right under that first shade, which was Strike a Pose, and just focus this color right into the crease. All right, and then on top of that, we're gonna go into Relationship Goes, which is this purple shade. So I wanna see how this is gonna look. Hopefully it doesn't look jacked up. As a matter of fact, let me put some extra powder under my eyes just so I can wipe it away because I do not have time, okay? So this is gonna help with any fallout if it gets any on this dark color. So I'm gonna use a flat brush and just pop that right all over the lid. Oh, this is actually darker than I thought. But it's a beautiful purple. Oh, it's giving me black. It probably looks black to you guys, but it's like a really deep purple. Alright, so that's basically the eye. I'm going to go in on the bottom lash line. So I'm going to wipe this stuff away. Alright guys, so this is the finished look. I hope you guys were able to follow along. I know that I probably wasn't even talking that much through this because I was trying to focus on how I'm going to create this look. But comment down below if you like me to continue to do makeup tutorials and what type of makeup tutorials you like. If you like me to talk through them and tell you guys what I'm doing as I'm going, or just chit chat about anything else. But yeah, let me know down below your thoughts on this makeup look. I think it came out pretty nice. Like, it's definitely giving me, you know, vampy vibes, fall vibes. So yeah, so that is all for this makeup look, and until next time, love, peace, and beauty. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.